Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time on your Vagarry watch. This particular model does not feature a date complication. In case you do, I have a different tutorial with watches that have a date complication, so make sure to check out the link in the description box below. So in this particular case, all we need to do is to pull the crown to the last position, and here we are going to rotate the watch hands in a clockwise direction, so to the right. And after you have correctly set the time, all you need to do is to push the crown all the way back in, and you are done. You have set the time on your Vagarry watch, and this tutorial can be used for other watches that other quartz watches that do not feature the date complication. In case you enjoyed this video guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also leave a comment. It really means a lot. Let me know what you would like to see next. If you'd like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next one.